What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another live trading session. So I'm sitting here watching NRBO absolutely rip. And, I was looking at this stock earlier down here, and it really this was an out of nowhere explosion. I mean, it just had this topping tail here, and when it went, I mean, it just shot. So it was an opportunity, but it just was not a good setup for me. You couldn't even anticipate this. Came down, so this was the movement on the morning. Came into this range, traded, failed on this level a couple of times. Then all of a sudden, a huge, let's see, how much is this explosion? From the 378 all the way up to the 3 or the 438. It's not my type of move. Really easy way to get sucked into it with FOMO, but it hasn't even given a pullback yet. One of these times it's going to give a pretty nice pullback, so we'll just see. The news on NRBO looking like Nearbo Pharmaceuticals. Did they elected a new board of directors. That's the news. So that is terrible news on this move. That means people are just buying to be buying. So we'll see on the open. There's 15 minutes until the open. I guarantee you this one's gonna fade hard. It's not good at all. That move was so unpredictable. Whenever I take an entry, I really like to have some type of bias, either buy or sell based on catalyst or something. There was literally nothing. It just came down here, failed the VWAP, came down here, faked down, and then boom, Superman. But we will see. Somebody made money off of that, just buying at a random spot. It is now getting close to his float, going through his float one time. It does have a shelf registration from this year. 7 million was his float, so it's almost traded through that float one time. So I expect to see some failure here coming up close to 7 million. Six. VWAP is at the $4 right now. Let's see if they'll go ahead and push it to the moon. See how it reacts when it goes through its float. Six. See. Actually, this one was a 300,000 share, or yeah, 300,000 shares traded on this big candle. Then since then, it's actually been kind of decreasing. Let's see, that's a 200,000. Then it went up to 5, and now it's down to 100. Oh yeah, it's getting weak. 150,000 on this candle. Getting weaker, getting closer to that float. We should see a dip. Hmm. Soon they'll be dropping those shares off. Almost got 10 minutes to the bell. People are going to be starting to take profit, getting ready for the day, getting ready for open. There we go. Let's see. It's almost to that 7 million mark. So it didn't even get through its float before it started to show weakness. Or maybe it did. I think I put this, I think I rounded up. I think it might have been 6.5 million in the float. Let me see. NRBO. I think I rounded, yeah, 6.14 million. So it did get through its float once, and now it's showing that weakness. RBO. Yep. Let's see if it can hold up. VWAP start to consolidate somewhere up here and not come back down here to the $3 mark. It's got this last previous, I guess this will be a support now. Support right there at the $4.094 level. Let's see if it can hold up that 4 right here. And that 4 is right under VWAP. So if it starts to crack that, it's going to break VWAP and possibly break the 9 EMA down here as well. These are irrelevant now. Got about 9 minutes to the bell. We're going to see what kind of action this thing wants to give. Good morning, Jay Kratz. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. NRBO was the popper. It's just very hard to read this stock with the way that it came down, man. I don't think even the best traders probably missed this one. At 379 and then an explosion. The only way you would have got this is if you were just accumulating all through this bottom. So from the 350, accumulate a little bit here, accumulate more, you know, but that's not the way I trade usually. I did yesterday a little bit with that other trade I took 300 shares on. I was accumulating because I kind of figured, hey, this is going up. But this one right here, NRBO, with that shelf registration from this year and this sporadic movement in pre-market, I don't think it's going to be a good one. It's going to make people very, very weary of it. Getting up to 7 million, we need to see it consolidate, kind of start to hold some levels. Breaking down pretty nicely. Getting back down there to that $4 level. See if it can hold. Let's look at the volume on these 5-minute candles. 228 on a sell candle, and then 189, 193 on another sell candle. So getting some pretty nice selling volume here. But I am not interested at all in this one. Too much selling. We're coming into 5 minutes before the bell, so I think we're gonna watch this one get murdered. Murder scene starting right now. Trying to hold up that $4 level, but look at it pushing on down there. That's not a good sign. Uh-oh. Getting on down there. Let's see the volume on this candle. Not that, only 78 right now. I was expecting to see that selling volume ramp up, but it'll probably ramp up at the open in 4 minutes. Very close to breaking into a downtrend here. Let me go use the restroom before we get started. All right. Still getting that nice push down. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody that's tuning in. We've been watching NRBO be absolutely insane. On the open, just gonna watch the burial. That's all. I was expecting a little bit more selling pressure, but I think the reason that the selling pressure is dying down because it just came up to the VWAP, and nobody wants to be a seller adding at the VWAP and then it bounces against you. So that's probably why that volume kind of decreased close to VWAP. All right. May give a pop here at the very open. People just trying to buy that dip. But we will see. I don't know if I'm going to jump in there for the pop, but right now it's just, I mean, it's just too much risk for whatever reward that it may give. 1 minute left till the open. I guarantee you we're going to see a pop up first. Yep. Somebody's going to be buying this dip right at VWAP. So how far will it pop up? So it moved up from the 378. Nero popping up there on the scanner. Looks a lot better to me. We'll be definitely watching that one. Does it have news? Nero does have news. FDA breakthrough device designation treatment. Nice, nice. So we will definitely be watching that one. Looks a lot better to me. Nero daily resistance. But we'll watch NRBO fail as well. Daily resistance up here at the 380, but it's at the $4. So $4. Woo. All right. So we'll just have to wait on Nero to settle down. It just got its news and everything. NRBO gave a little pump up. And like I said, we're going to watch the burial. Let's watch the burial. Then we'll skip over to Nero again. Needs to break that $4 level. Break it. $4. Trying to hold up there. Popping up. Okay. SPCB popping up there as well. I need to go and research Nero real quick. There it goes, breaking the 4. I need to go and read up on Nero real quick. Nero, no shelf registration. Float is looking like 3.77 million on Nero. Let's see what happened to it. Okay, Nero, nice, nice. 3.7 million on Nero. It's just red on a day. That's the only thing. We just have to wait till it bottoms out if it wants to go red. Even though it looks the best to me. Has a bottom here of the 361. $361 right there. We'll see if it can start to hold up. See where this thing wants to bottom out. Let me go ahead and put those daily resistances in. It's like it has a little bit of support through this level of the 390s, which is coming down to. Has a gap fill level right here that it just filled of the 407. So that could be a little bit more resistance. 409. Anything else? Above that, maybe up here at the 463. And that's about it. All right, so let's get ready to play ball. Let's get ready to play ball. Waiting for this pullback to close. It's got about 2 minutes left on this one. Maybe it won't give a pullback just yet. If it doesn't, I'll just wait patiently. Yep, no pullback. Nero jumping back up there on the scanner. Good morning, Daniel B. We're watching Nero. We just watched NRBO get absolutely hammered. Let me see. Has it picked itself off the ground yet? Nope. Just getting decimated down there. But we're watching Nero. Nero just gave a nice double top right there to 423. I don't think that double top is going to hold this. At 423, I think it's going to jump through it. Okay, it just paused, or am I tripping? Did it just pause? Wait, let me see if something else is moving. Okay, that's moving. There's your little cheap stock, SPCB. I'm not going to touch that one. More interested in Nero. There it is, moving again. All right. Will it be able to break that double top here, or will that be a nice little resistance point at the 423s? 423s right there. Can it go red over here on the, needs to get through the 404 to go red. Can it do it? There we go. Go on red. Go on down there. Have a bottom down here, the 361. We'll be watching this one like a hawk. NRBO pop back up there very quickly. So it got buried and then got back up. Nice movement there. I was really expecting it to die out, but hey, 403 up to the 450, so a 50-cent move right there. Can it hold up this top side pre-market resistance, 438? Let's go ahead and draw that as our resistance, 438. Trying to hold it up. We have a bottom down here, the 403. Support. Looking like they want to get it. They want to take it to the 50. It's just not happening for them. It's a very sporadic stock, man. Looks like they wanted to get to the 50, but it continues to fail there. There's a lot of shorts up there at the 50. Will it break the 40s down? Yep, 40s broken, 30s broken it back into. So we're gonna let that one settle out. Where is Nero? Good morning, MSEC. Sitting here watching some low float movers. Nero doesn't know if it wants to stay on or get off or whatever. We will see. I would love for Nero to come down some, give a better entry price. I mean, it literally just got started. All right. Nero pulling up. There it is, getting a nice little dump down. Let's go look at NRBO. Did it end up going down? Still struggling around their resistance point, getting bought up off of it now. It's trying hard to hold that up, and it's holding too. That 430s, 440s. The only problem is it's struggling in between 10 cents. So I don't really like it. It may give a small breakout and then fail. There's a 51. Wow, look at that. As soon as I said it, 51 fail. Wow. Well, that one's got a nice top and tail. We'll go and check out Nero now. Waiting for this one to give us a little bit of consolidation. It's just doing its little small breakouts as well. But this is the best one that I. SPCB is a little more little cheaper stock at 145. Again, it's no news, just going up. Nero is the one for me if it can consolidate. I'm not buying it right now. It's gone up 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna need some consolidation on this one. NRBO taking the dip. Has a bottom here of the $4 level again. Let's see if it'll hold the 4. Remember, it does have a shelf registration, so people could get spooked in this one. Nero does not. Getting a nice little pull up right there. Can we see this candle? Oh, it's got 4 minutes left. It's got a lot of work to do. Okay, SPCB doing this thing. NRBO. A lot of these stocks, I don't know which one to watch. all of them look okay. Nero's still not giving a pullback, so I'm not interested in buying this one. It's a little bit too strong right now. It's not letting any buyers get back in. Look at that. Got up there and touched. So maybe this is a resistance level. What is this? The 437? That's an odd resistance level. Seems like it should be able to break that. We will see. Okay, SPCB still hammering up. Did get over the pre-market high of the 40, but not by much. So I'm not interested. It's not moving enough for me. I'm not trying to get a 2-cent move. All right, this one, NRBO, struggling to try to get back to those 440s. People buying that dip, not interested. This one just seems like it's getting heavier and heavier. Let's look at the volume on these candles. Down here, we have starting 5-minute candle was 1 million or almost 2 million. Next one was 2 million, and now it's decreasing in volume. So I'm gonna let this thing pull back. Okay, this one's back to the 41, losing all of its gusto. NRBO getting back up there to the 440s, but I do believe that 440 is about to be a real wall for it. There it is, getting up there. Let's see if it gets rejected off the 40s. There it is, getting rejected. Will it break down the 35s here? How strong is the rejection? Yep. Cracking that 35. Yeah. All right. Nero, you're the one. You are the one. You just need to pull back. closing this candle in almost a minute. NRBO taking the dive of the century. Look at this, from the 450 back right down where I had that first support level. I knew it was struggling in this range. That is amazing. Well, congratulations, shorts. All right, SPCB still looking trash. Hasn't even moved 2 cents off of this high here. Who will be the one? $360 is the bottom on the 15-minute. Got some more support levels at the 368 and the 386. We'll see where it starts to kind of struggle, where the shorts start to struggle. $400 on NEGG. Okay, Daniel B, let me see where NEGG is. NEGG. Nice. A little bit more expensive stock if you could do that, if you have the taste for it. But nice rip. Okay. Only 150 shares. Hey, 150 shares on a $30 stock is quite a bit of money. Let's see. Let's see. What is that? I mean, that's like that's a good chunk. Yeah, that's $4,500. That's my whole trading account. I really like Nero. Really like it. I'm gonna wait till this one closes and see how it reacts to that $4 level again. Support down here on the 4. All right. Let this candle close. How much time does this candle have? It has 2 minutes. CYTK. Wasn't that that was a mover from the other day? CYTK, cytokinetics. Again, more expensive stock. So if you want to play, if you can play big ball, play big ball. SPCB, only moving at a cent. I'm okay. Okay. I like this one, man. I really like this one. Can it hold up the 25s? 24s. Not seeing it hold those 25s. Questionable. I'll wait till it closes. Holding up those 25s now. Throwing up a little wick there. Pulling back again into the 30s. Trying to hold up those 30s. Very shifty little stock. I'm going to let it play. There it goes. Ooh. Only 10, what was that? 10 cents out? 34 to the 40, 6 cents. It's a burner right there. This one's a very, very questionable stock. All right, SPCB. Let's see. I like to short 100 shares, $4 to $5 drop possible on it. But I have to be patient. Yeah, most def. When you speaking of shorting, when you get up or I don't even know if you have to purchase shares for a stock like that. They may be easy to borrow, but like how early do you get up to purchase your shares like on cheaper stocks that aren't easy to borrow? Like cuz I know there's only a limited amount of shares, especially when it's hard to borrow. Or maybe it has to do with your broker as well, how many shares they have to borrow. Yeah, I'm not liking this movement here. Today is the day to trade aggressive before another drop. We'll see. Getting up there to the 40s. Very small breaks. I'm not liking it. Why is it facing so much resist? Wait, maybe there's some resistance back here somewhere. Nope. It's just facing resistance right there. I'm gonna wait. I don't like it. Should have continued. SPCB going down to the grave. Let's see where Nedge ended up. NEGG. To the grave. CY. What was that other one? CYTK. CYTK getting on up there. Nice. Yeah, this one definitely looks like a shortable stock. Got that big topping tail unless it just blows through all of it back up to the 30s here. But I think it's a nice positioning. I don't even know where this this support level I had drawn here. Looks like it's struggling at that support level, 2871. I don't know what's wrong with this one, Nero. I really expected it to get up and get going. Let's see. Float. It's 3.09 in the float. No shelf registrations, but it's still trading so weak. Has this pre-market high up here of the 445, which it just went to. So that's the, I would say that's the resistance up there that it just hit. I'm gonna wait for a pullback and see if it can lose some of this gusto and give us some consolidation, real consolidation. So we got a possible level of support down here at the 390s. Possible level of support at the 409s. But right now, I'm not interested in this choppy movement. I can buy any amount of shares if it is ETB, yeah, easy to borrow. For buying hard to borrow, you have to call TD Ameritrade to unlock those shares, but you have to pay big money for this service. Yeah, I bet so. Back up there, fell in that 45 again. Looking for a little bit of reprieve. This move off the top of this was a 38 up to the 45. That's just, it's not paying enough. That's sick. We'll see if it can start holding some levels here. I like it. I like the news, but just not an entry for me. See if it'll break down at 40. Shorts holding it under the 40. Got a little bit of support there. Some support right here. And some support right here. So we'll see what level can it hold up to $4. We're about 30 minutes into the trading day, and this one just acting real weird. SPCB. Break the 35. There it is. It is a long way off of the EMA, the 15-minute EMA here. It's at 380. This thing's up at 433. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for some consolidation. It may move higher with that news. More buyers just buying. They're gonna get dumped on. Looks like it wants to get to the 50 here. Look at these moves, man. That was a cent. That was a cent out from the 45 to the 46. I'm gonna have to wait. Oh, let me go check the halt scanner as well, or the halt site as well, to see if anything halted. Because let's see. A couple of T1 halts, T2 halts, T3 halts. PYPD is halted on volatility. Let's see what that is. PYPD. 7. So that is trash. Let me go see what else. SPRT. Okay, that one halted, came out of the halt and went down. Was there any news on this one? No real news. Okay. Next one is IKNA. Ugh. $15. Any news on this one? Oncology to participate in targeted oncology panel. Not interesting. That's just a oncology panel. Next one is NABL. Did I type it in right? NA, yeah, that's right. Okay, well, I don't know what's up with that one. We'll go back to IKNA. When did this one halt? This one halted at 9:56. So it should be opening up in 9 minutes, looks like. 9:56:53. See what the float is on IKNA. 31.36 million in the float. Says 15.32 million in the float on Yahoo Finance, but 31, I don't know. Whatever. Let me see if it has any shelf registrations. IKN. No shelf registrations. So I watch it. Bitcoin is on the edge of a free fall. Let me go look at Bitcoin and see where it's at. Bitcoin. You know, I haven't even checked my Bitcoin. I need to go and check my Bitcoin. I know I'm green. Been holding since 2015, so I'm green. But I don't know. I never look at it. I don't know if it's on the edge of a cliff or if this is coming into some kind of some consolidation here. Maybe somebody will come out and say something crazy like Elon or Bill Gates or somebody and say, hey, we're buying this. And then all of a sudden you get another one of these mountaintops. All right. Nero did pop down there to the $4. Continue to watch that. I might need to sell my Bitcoin. I've been just holding it. I could put that money somewhere else. Getting down to that $4 level. Let's see if it can stay above that 380. $390s. $392s. Oh, I meant to have this one out too. Don't want to miss this open. IKNA. Supposed to be opening up at the 5607, or it paused at the 5607. So is it more than how long is this halt? Might be a 10-minute halt, so should be opening up at the 50 or the what am I trying to say? 0607. 0607. So in like 2 minutes. We'll see how high it opens. Maybe it'll just explode. I'll play small ball on it. 10-minute halt. Turn today into a nice green day. Wow, it gapped all the way back up here to the top of this, which is the 1534, which may be resistance over here on the 5-minute. This is where it gapped to, or not really gapped, but halted at. So we will see what the action is above that level. Oh 0607 coming up. It's kind of scary, man. I don't know if I want to play with this one. Unless it opens up super high. I'm definitely going to small ball on this one. Don't want to lose my life here. Here we go. Okay. So that didn't go according to plan. So there may be a 15-minute halt on this one. Oh, no, I had it wrong. 56. So it's supposed to be the 53. My bad. 53 coming up here. I was looking at the wrong ticker. So 53. If it doesn't open up, then that means it's going into a longer halt. Okay, there we go. Can we get the dip down? Give us that dip, baby. Stop playing. Stop it. Oh my God. All right, well, we just wanted a dip, but since you didn't give it to us, we feeling some type of way down here in the dirt. In the trenches. Give us red. Give us just a little bit of red. It has a bottom here of the 1536 support level. Want to see that hold up on the 15 minutes. Nice little topping tail there. It's like it's excited. Can it hold the 50s? 50s on there. Back under the 50s. Man, those price drops though. Can we get the 50s on there? I don't know about this one. Breaking down the 25s there. Will it give us red here? Wow, getting bought up again. Still has not given me my setup. I'm just going to wait on this one. It's a little bit weak. If it goes, it'll just go without me. Getting that pullback. Can it hold above this 15, whatever this thing was, 1533? I want to see it hold at 1533 here. 39s. Will it get bought up here? Nope. Pushing on down. There's the 33s. Still not interested because of that top and tail. Can't hold it. I'll wait till this candle closes. It's got literally a minute left on this candle, or 30 seconds left on this candle. Think we're about to see the 50s come back into play. Yep. Nice. All right. I think it's party time. I took a little bit there, and I'm willing to get more if it can hold up. Took a little bit more. 10 shares in. And I will ride it out. We have this bottom here at the 1304. Way away. Way away. So I'm just looking for more entries, more entry points. I'll be all out with these shares at the that's a long way. I don't know. We'll see. Looking for this thing to get back over the 50s. It's holding up quite nice. Can it start to get those 50s back in there? 58s, 56s. Want to see the 50s on the bid. There we go. Add it there just a little bit. 15 shares in. Can we get this green here? Not seeing it. 1590s. 1580s up there. It might pop here. Come on. Start getting those 75s up there. '90s. Getting back heavy. Nero defended. Let's go look at Nero. Okay. I like it. I like it, like it. What's up, Wesley Rains? What's up? All right, we'll be watching that one. Let me go over here right quick. Make sure I'm not losing my life over here. Holding up the 50s. Can we get the 50s there? We see the 50s. Can we get into and hold over the 55s? That's what I'm looking for. There we go. Added a little bit more right there. In small, it keeps holding up. I want to see a bounce here. $13.06 is a long way away, so it's definitely spread out. I'll wait. $13.05. Add a little bit more right there. There we go. 25 shares in. We can get this push up. That would be amazing. $13.09. $25 shares. $75 on the bid. Can we get into the 80s? Let's go, buyers. Let's get those 80s. $13.08. I'll see what it's gonna do. I'll go ahead and put my all out at the 13.10s with this small share size. I'm okay with that. Sitting down here. Oh, well, looks like it wants to go. Never mind. Getting back up. We need to see those 16s get revived. Took 25 shares here. Nice. 48. We're gonna let it play. 1373. 1370s will be my all-out point right now. So 1370s. We can go. Let it go, man. Let it go. What was I looking for? What else was I looking for? 16 starting to hold up. Need to see the break of that 1610 here. Little pop down there. We'll see if we can stay protected here, or will it slam on us? We'll see those 16s pop back up there. Appreciate that, One Life. Appreciate that. Waiting for this pop, man. If we can get this pop, that would be amazing. I got in small share size, so even if it does like gap down or something, I'm still in good, relative good position. Coming on down. Can we get a pop up? I do think it has a lot of potential to still go up. So not too willing to just bow out just yet. Nero coming back up there. Nero making its way back up there slowly. Fighting back within this range. Trying to break down right there on me. It's got this bottom of the 15, 19. Uh, 1350s. Can we stay above the 1350s? All right, and then the other one that we were watching was Nero. 25 bucks down. Nero getting back up there. Very tight little range. Nero, Nero, Nero. It's just so weak. Yeah, it's just moving just a little bit. Let me see what IKNA is doing now. Still holding up. We're gonna see if it wants to get going back up. If not, I'll just be out. Let's see, what's this? The 1340s, 1325s. Still want to watch Nero though. Look at this thing push, man. Crazy. Breaking down those 13s. Where is the 200 moving average? 200 moving average is at the 1357. It's got a little bit of support right there. 13 bucks. All right. We will see how it plays out. Nero still building up, kind of forming a range down here. Carve popping up there. CARV. Wow. What in the world? Must have felt me looking at him. That was an amazing little pump up right there. And a pump down. I don't like that action right there. So let me go and research Carve real quick. Carve 3.40 million in the float. Carve. Yeah, 3.4. Does it have a shelf or something? No shelf. All right. Very low volume. Let's go back over to Nero. Still just biding this time. Let's see where this bottom is. Can it start to hold the 1425s? Nero looking like it wants to go red on the day. It's PCB. All right, where's my other looking for this one to start to hold that 1425. If it can't I'd be looking for exits. It's like it's starting to hold the 14, possibly. We'll see. There's some buyers around that level. Carve. Not looking too good. Carve looking like it wants to go a little bit. I may take for the break of 18, but I just don't see the volume here. And the bids are down at the 70s. So it's quite a while away from me. Gave a little bit of a pullback there. Coming up. Just not trading fluid enough. All right, this one's finding a bottom. Let's see, 1386. 14s. Can we start to hold those 14s here? Carb giving a dip buy opportunity on very low volume. So I guess that's not an opportunity. It's just a place to get killed. $14.22s. Can we start to hold those 25s up? $20s. Can we get those shorts scared out of there? Daniel B says RX just broke my buy level. RX. Again, more expensive stock. We're seeing a lot of wicks here on Nero at the VWAP. Don't know if it'll be able to break out or what. Got a bottom down here of the 387. So I will wait on that. Carve did give a pullback to the VWAP. Oh, no, I'm not getting into that. Nope. That's trash. SPCB's been there for a long time. I don't want that. NRBO, not interested. I want to see, can it hold over this 406 level? Looks like it's trying to. This one's looking like I'm gonna have to jump out at the 1325-ish area. Go ahead and put that in there. If it doesn't want to get a lift, 24. It's looking quite heavy. I think I'm down about 50 bucks right now. I might jump out of this one if it doesn't get going up soon. That's only 25 shares, so we will see. VWAP is just a long way away, $2 away for it. 74s. Start to hold up those 1350s. I don't think I'm going to add to that position. Neuro. Oh, there we go. There goes Neuro. Getting up and get going. What was this move? This move was from the 404 up to the 420s, 430s. All right, I got stopped out of my other position, which I'm perfectly okay with, for like 50 bucks, I believe. 67 bucks. This one, Nero, the one I called out earlier that I should have just been watching anyway. This is the one. Wait and see if it can consolidate going into an upward trend. Looking for that pullback. Come on, baby. You look nice. You look real nice, Nero. I'm gonna need you to pull back though. A bit. Now it's starting to move more like a penny stock. More like a low float. Nero, let's look at the daily chart. Has a little bit of resistance there, but I think it can go higher. Letting this candle close. We got 2 minutes on this candle. I'm really impressed with this move here on Nero. Looking at how it opened, it was absolute trash. But now it looks like people are wanting to get in. Wow. Wanting to get in badly. Come on and pull back, baby. Pull back off those highs. There we go. It was a nice red candle. Wow. All right. Up to the 450s. Going a little bit far fast. We need a pullback here. Stop playing. Come on back down to earth. I think this is what it did on, no, that wasn't this one. It was another stock that I think it was NRBO that did a move like this, just crashed through. But I do like to see this volatility coming in now. This candle just by itself is 3 million shares traded. So let everybody get hurt first, and then let's go ahead and find an entry. There we go. Nice, nice. Let's see what this candle's got. This candle is trading 241,000 shares. All right, I like all of this. We'll let this candle close and look for entries. Probably. So I'm trying to get in now. Come on. Yeah, give us that drop. Coming back down to the 440s, which we wanted it to hold earlier. Waiting for this candle to close. 4 minutes left on it. Trying to keep those 40s on deck. Want to see it drop a couple more times, man. Well, looks like it's ready to go. I feel like this is the top right now, so I'm gonna wait for a little bit of consolidation here. I know it's consolidation coming. Make this money back real quick that I lost. STAF. Let's check for the news here. Oh, okay. News. Not interested. All right. So it did give that nice little pullback there. Getting up there to that next resistance. I would love to see consolidation. I'm not trying to get in this high. But I really do like this stock. The news on it is they have a wearable neurostimulator. Yeah. Treatment for fibromyalgia. So this is the one that I should have probably put all my money in today, but it's whatever. Things happen. People change. Looking for it to get back below those 40s and form a new bottom. So we have one bottom here at the 390s. We have the bottom of this, which is the extension candle, 404s. Daniel B, One Life. It is very possible. Yeah. Yep. Waiting for it to come on down and give me an opportunity. Crack that 40. There we go. Crack that 40 down. I don't know why I traded that other one. I guess I was just desperate for a trade. But Neuro was the one that I called from the beginning, but I didn't know if it was going to give the moves that I would be looking for. But hey, I like it. I like it a lot. It's 9:39, or actually 10:39. Looking to make some capital on Nero. Getting down here. How far do you want to fall? Will you give us any more movement down? Okay. I just want a good price. That's it. It's like it's ready to go again. SPY by the dip works again in the short term and 30 years out. Holding those 40s there, still kind of questionable. Gonna let it get some falling action here. Oh boy, this thing wants to go. Can we get the 50s up there? I am very interested in this stock now. Oh boy, I may be missing the move here, but it's okay. I can wait for a better entry. Don't want to get scared in. FOMO in. Definitely looks good though. Let it complete these little cycles it's got. Okay, so now it's holding up the 40s. I do like it. Probably play it to the VWAP. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna probably end up doing. Looks nice. This one's got 3 minutes left on this candle. Oh boy, it's blowing up. That a double top? Looks like a double top there. High of the 57, 57. That's an odd number. It may end up breaking this one. 57 is not a large point of resistance, but I guess it's becoming one. So this one's got 3 minutes left on this candle. Just waiting for a better entry. Hmm. Yeah, this one's not playing any games. It's probably gonna break out. It's not playing any games, bro. Oh boy. Okay, very small breakout. Praise the Lord. Looking for it to pull back a bit. Oh no. Come on. Come back down. I got what? $4.50. I can get at least 200, 300 shares. Come on back down, baby. Break that 40. Come back down and break that 40. Come on. You know you want to. Revisit that 40 level. Well, looks like the buyers are coming on in there, trying to push it higher. I was looking for a revisit of the 40, but it's about to go to the 70s, looks like. Oh well. I gotta get in at a good price. All right, can we get some pullback here? Please give me some pullback. Please just don't go. Come on, baby. Give me some pullback to the 40. Yeah. All right. Now it's about to be party time. Let me see how many shares I can get of this. I can get 91. Get 400 shares of this. Mm-hmm. No, you're not done. Come test down. Give me a nice little entry. The 9 EMA has crossed over this last point of resistance. The VWAP is sitting at this second point of resistance that I put in. And then this third one was the high of that first 15-minute candle, which is holding up. I wanted to come down. I wanted to at least test this one, this high. $438 is what I'm looking for. $946. Got a nice little range here. A lot of support underneath it now. Come on back down. Test this range one more time before we get out of here. And you take us to heaven. Because I believe this is where people are going to be buying now. Volume weighted average price is at the 424s down here. So quite nice little area. Needed to crack down those 40s again, please. There we go. Go ahead and dump y'all shares. Was anybody in on this one? Did anybody in the chat get in on this one? I'm not in yet, but I'm looking to take 400 shares of it at a good position. Cool, cool. You got in at 394. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to wait for a better entry. This thing is piling up. Hmm. Looks like it's gonna continue to ride out. Yep. All right. Well, I like this one a lot. And we have a bottom there. Yeah. I might miss this one if it goes. Let's see how far it's gonna go. 2 or 3 cents out. I'm okay with that. To wait for some more consolidation then. It's not ready, it's tired. Or maybe it is ready. Just have to go and put on his track shoes. Gee whiz, man. Wait for this little pullback here. I know it's coming. I just wanted to make sure that I'm getting into a good position here in whatever I get into. Will it break down the 60s? 60. Oh my God. Nice. Wow. I mean, there's nothing I can do. Nothing I can do here but watch and pray. There's a little bit of a pullback. Waiting, waiting, watching. Can we get under the 60s? Nice. All right. So maybe we'll get a chance to enter yet. It's like the shorts are stepping in a little bit. I'm gonna need them to step up their game and push it under the 60. Come on, shorts. Y'all are bugging, bro. Y'all are getting blasted. Oh my gosh, bro. Thank you, shorts. Get it under 60, please. Boy, I tell you what, this thing's going, man. It is going. Thought it was gonna get knocked under the 60s. Are all of the big buyers out now? Please be out. I see smaller share size coming in. Smaller and smaller. Nice, nice. Can we get this pullback? Come on. Get through that 60. Yes, finally. Please give me a chance to enter. Please. Oh, I thought I was gonna miss this whole move. Come on, break that 60 down. You got this, shorts. Let's go. Let's go, shorts. Put the pads on. Let's go. Come on, shorts. Y'all are failing now. Come on, man. All I need to do is see it under 60, please. Oh, shorts. Shorts. I'm depending on you guys to make me money. Come on, guys. Let me see what happened to that other one that I was in. Did it go on through the floor? Yep, pretty much. Would have lost my whole account on that. No, it's not FOMO. I already know where I want to buy. I need the shorts to push this thing through the floor. There we go. I need them to drop and give me 50. There we go. Working our way down now. Come on. They keep buying it over the 60. Why? Stop it. Come on, shorts. You got this. Just please keep it under the 60 for like 2 minutes. Just go under the 60. Oh my gosh, shorts. I hate you all. Bro, I'm so sick of the shorts, bro. When I get in, they wanna play ball. Oh my gosh, man. Okay, the shorts are coming back in. We need to see some red candle here, red volume. Oh man. They're not trying to hear this. All right, so the 466 is the new level of resistance. Now we'll see it fade a little bit. 390. So we got this initial igniting candle here at the 404. It's got, it can pull back until really the 425, possibly. But I'm looking. I think this thing might end up going higher, man. I'm just, I don't know. I don't want to enter too big. I don't want to enter 400 shares up here. That's the thing. And it continues to hold up those 60s. Need confirmation. Get out of the 60s. Getting heavy. Come on. Break the 60s, please. There we go. Yes. Yes. Y'all never seen a long celebrate for the shorts, huh? Let's go, shorts. My boys. Look at these fools. They let it get right back over 6. Bruh. I need to see 58s, 56s, 55s. I need to see it plowing down. Let's get under 55. I hate the shorts. There we go. Come on. Y'all need to get paid for something, right? Push this thing down. Real heavy around that 60. Come on. Buying volume very, very low on this 5-minute candle. Uh-oh. It's like they want to push him out of there again. Yes. Yes, sir. It's like a grudge match. Bruh. This thing's been holding up to 60 too long, man. I'm just gonna jump in and just hope for the best. I'm tired of this. I jumped in with 100. I'll average down if I need to. I just like it too much. It's whatever. I got 200 more shares to add. If it wants to go, let it go. I'm sorry. FOMO. This thing's been holding the 60s forever. Now watch it fail because I'm in. See if we can get a push into the 70s. Double top there. Still looking for entries to add. Right now, as long as it stays above, let's see, where is it? The 420s. If it does pull back, it can pull back to the 420s. Now it's going to end up pulling back on me. I'm okay. Kind of FOMO'd in there, but I'm okay. I'm good to go. I'm willing to trade this one all day anyway. Getting on up there, making my monies back. It's just been holding the 60s a little bit too well. Go Nero, go. Up 12 bucks right now, 13 bucks. I just wasn't comfortable entering that 400 shares at the top right there. Let's see where I'm at now. 50 bucks down. All right. Let it do its thing. Maybe it'll break 5. Jimmy John's. Hey, 17 bucks in pocket. If it doesn't just fade right now. Looking for it to push into the 90s and go visit the $5 since it's been so adamant about getting up there. Nice. $23. So moving up from McDonald's to maybe, McAllister's. All right, 92s. I'm looking at my profit target now. I'm gonna start getting ready to get out because this $5 may be a devastating point for it. Looking for it to visit that 5. Can we get back into the 90s? There's the 90s. $91s. There we go. Getting ready to get out. $92s. Can we see the $95s here? 95s very short-lived. Taking right there. 25 shares off. Don't see the 95s coming up there too quickly. Taking right there. 50 shares left. Still don't see those 90s coming up too quick. I thought it would get up there. Taking again. 25 shares left. I'm not really in the mood to play with it. Struggling. 94s. Holding 25 shares here. Struggling, man. I'm gonna take some there. Struggling to get to that 95. Here we go. 95, 96. Take some up there. 15 shares left. Struggling to hold the 95s there. $95, struggling some more. 5 shares left. I just wanted to get that in my pocket. Below the 90s, I'll get all out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get out right there on that weakness. I think I'm dead on $50 now, $46. So I'll be looking for the next entry. I just did not want to hold that. It's getting a little bit weak up there. Look for better entries, man. Better entries. Let's see how many shares I can get now. $1,300. Oops. 1,300. So I can get 200 and about 250 shares here. But I saw it struggling to get that 95, so I was like, I'd rather be down 40 bucks than, down way more. Plus, I know I can look for a re-entry. Because I got time today, cuz. I told you, this is why I wanted to go ahead and get out. Look how weak it's getting at the 90. Looking super suspicious here. Super. I wasn't about to play that game. I've been in that game many times and bumped my head too many times to count. I know how to wear protection now. Getting up there to the 95s. I believe we're going to see a little bit of a dip here. should be coming soon. Struggling at that 95 again. Where's that dip? Bring the dip. '89s. Keep them out the 90s. Let's get that dip. All right, so now let's see how it reacts above this range of the 438. Let's see, these last counters were like 1 million shares, 3 million shares or whatever. Let's see if it'll crash. Give us a better entry. I'm looking to take that 200 shares, but I just didn't want to do it up there. I didn't really have a lot of faith in it, but with the way it was holding the 60s, I was like, let's go. Let's get it. Because I was pretty much acting out the emotions of the shorts. They were like, let's go down. Let's go down. Every time. Fell at 60. Fell at 60. So you know the buyers are going to win at some point. So where would you want to sell as a seller? And then just do the opposite. Look at this. Look at this. Look. $5. I'm expecting some downwards movement off of this one. There is no way. Hey, I like it. I like it. I did not have the faith to hold it that long. That was five more cents over the 95. 5 more cents. So that's okay. I'm good. What's 5 more cents? And now it's going to turn into like 20 cents. Mm-hmm. Good job, Wesley. Good job, man. I just shouldn't have traded that other stock. I would have been okay on the day. Today would have been a what? Like maybe a lunchtime day, some lunch money day. But I traded something stupid. Yeah, this thing is going to the moon. I thought $5 was gonna be resistance for it. Going up to this top of the 524. So next resistance level. Then after that, looks like we have one at the 580s. I'm definitely looking for some downward turn on this one to re-enter. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Yeah, man. FOMO is real on Neuro, bro. I really thought it was gonna reject off that 5, but I mean, it's up to 48 million. All we can do is wait on another entry, I guess. That's what I'm gonna do. Cause I know it's going up. That news is too good. But I definitely wouldn't be buying up here. I would not put that 100 shares up here. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. So let me think. I made that back 30. 20. Looks like they don't want to sell. People are just holding now. But it doesn't matter. All the people that were gonna make money just made their money in these 3 bars. That's why the volume's so low here. 3, 4 million. Come on, baby. Let's come down. Give us an entry. Now this stock right here, I may hold for the longer term because I'm pretty sure it's gonna get a gap up tomorrow. If it gaps down, oh well. But yeah, this is gonna be one that I'm probably gonna hold if it gives me a good entry price. Because if I wake up tomorrow and it said $8 and I took 200 shares, it'd be nice. Or during aftermarket. Bro, this thing is not slowing down. Chill. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So moves are getting smaller and smaller on the breakouts. What was that? That was from the 24 up to the 25, 1 cent breakout. So yeah, definitely getting top heavy. Waiting and watching, baby. Waiting and watching. That's crazy. From pre-market, I called this thing out and I still missed the moves. I was like, yeah, I think Neuro's going up because of that news. Should have just got in. Should have just got in. Bro, this thing pushes through the 25s without pulling back. It's some serious strength in this stock. Oh my goodness. This thing's trying to go to the moon, man. This is ridiculous. It's not gonna give me another entry, is it? VWAP is at the 446 and it is pushing through the 25s. Let me take a sip of water. I'm a little parched. Feeling like I'm missing out. Oh man. 60. That would have been a full dollar move. That would have been $100. Oh no. Oh, this would have been like a $60, $70 play on those 100 shares. But hindsight trading, right? Oh my gosh, bro. This would have made me green on a day and some. Whatever. Bruh. Slow down, man. Well, hopefully you guys are enjoying the show. Uh hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see some super volatile stocks every morning. Oh my gosh, man. Oh boy. Finally. Let's go, shorts. Make it rain. The shorts been waiting forever for this. They've been getting their back blown out. They've been waiting forever for this move. Boy, I would be so mad if I was a short getting pushed out like this, man. From the 60s up to the 540s. Somebody got a margin call. Oh my god. The fact that it did not drop is still trying to hold these levels. It's about to be a slaughter. A full dollar away from the 40s where I was watching it at first. Wow. I mean, what can you do? I think my risk on this one is going to be $4. If it goes back under $4, then I'll be done with it. But I'm definitely going to be holding this one for a while. Once it goes down, gets closer to that $4 mark. Or maybe it just won't come down. Maybe it just wants to go to $10 today. This is a parabolic move if I've ever seen one. Ah. All of these buying candles are bigger than every other candle on the map right now. People just buying, buying, buying. Can one of them go red? Nope. We're about to push through the 50. 40's holding up. Yeah, man. It's oh my gosh, it's pushing up even more. Oh my G, bruh, man. This from where I entered at the 460 is a full dollar above where I entered. I failed. I failed my job today to predict what was going to happen. I saw what I thought was weakness, and it turns out there was just nitrogen or nitrous getting put into the engine because it cranked up. bruh. But you know what? These happen all the time. So, you know, you have to get into the mindset, hey, I know I can catch one of these and not make all the bad calls. 5 was big test to start potential FOMO mode. Yeah. Yep. I absolutely think this thing is going up, but man, if this thing can come back around the 460s today, I'll buy and just hold for tomorrow. I'll update y'all on how that goes. If it gaps up, amazing. Cause that other one, yesterday actually did this similar move to this. That APHI I was in took 300 shares. I sold early because I had to go, but when I checked it after the market closed, it had went up to like $10, $8, something like that. I was like, oh well, at least I was green. But today I'm probably gonna close red, but I'm probably not gonna stay red, especially in the aftermarket once this one gets going. Oh my gosh, bro. It's trying to get to 75. It's trying to go to $6. All right. Shorts, if you're in the chat, I'm gonna need you to do your job and push this thing into the grave. I was in the perfect position. I should have just held on to a little bit of that position. It's all good. And I could have been going to Red Lobster today, bro. Uh, oh well. Oh my gosh, man. If this thing gets over 85, bro, I'm gonna be sick to my stomach. All right, Daniel B. Oh my gosh, bro. This thing is going to 6. It has broken over everything now. Yep, just gotta wait now. I missed it. I missed a lot of profit today. Talking cheddar biscuits. That's stage 2 of FOMO. Oh man. Well, all right. So we got a top up here. Almost to $6. I think it's gonna break the 6. It's just too strong. People are not selling. It's gonna break it. Let him break the 6. Then snatch down 90s, 97. This is this is insane. I missed so much profit today. STAF. Let me check this one out real quick. STAF. I'm not even going to waste my money over here on STAF. I'm just going to continue watching Neuro for a dip. And I'm going to put my whole account in this thing. But it's super extended. Okay, there's a $6 breach. Very quick. Looking like it wants to get to the 610s. Well, I guess this one blew up Fibonacci and all of that. Fibonacci retracements and everything. No halfway retracement. Man, look at this thing. I was in right here. All I had to do is just keep 5 shares. Oh my goodness. Straight parabolic, bro. Insanity. Well, I'm so glad I did not fall into FOMO again. You know, I wanted to re-enter, but I think it would have been a bad mentality to be chasing on this one. I did break, how many rules did I break today? I broke one rule, which was not sticking to what I had on my scanner. When I traded that other halt stock, it took a little bit of money from me, like 40 bucks, but I made 34 yesterday. So it's like a $10 loss on the week. So I'm okay. All right, shorts. Y'all look like y'all filling out y'all's resumes. Actually trying to do a job now. What if it pushes right back through them? Oh my gosh, that'll be a horrible thing. All right, well, it's 10:30. Everybody's dropping their shares. I'm trying to buy the bottom. Let's see, where can it come back to? Last known support, probably like the 475, so somewhere above that level. Somewhere above this level and somewhere under this level. We'll see. We got all day. So we had up here on the daily resistance, we had the 409, the 462, the 521, and then like this around the $6 level. That's a crazy mover. Yeah, one life, but I mean, the way that it was moving at first, it kept on. I didn't know if it was going to hold the 60 or if the 60 was going to make it drop. Like a move through the 60 was going to make it drop. So I was like, okay, well, I just take profit where I can. But hindsight, probably should have held all 100. Probably should have entered the 400 in there at that point. But it just seemed like the top at that point. So looks like we're coming into the backside of the move. It's got down here to the 484s at the 9 EMA. The thing is, even though this ran up like this, it's still not moving like the float that it has. It has a 3.09 million float. That thing should have been jumping way higher than this. This is a what? $4 to 630. So a $2 move with a 3 million share float, it definitely should have been moving a lot better than it did. Will it hold up the $5 level? Staff is also up. Amazing moves, man. Amazing moves today. I might actually buy around this $5 level. They can hold up those fives and just let the five be like my, or the 450 be my all out. Risk 50 cents on those 200 shares. Yeah, we'll see. Can it get closer to that five? Three to the 430s. Not too interesting. NRBO died. Got a little bit of support down here. So I wonder, will this be the new consolidation range where it comes in here and kind of people kind of get their shares again around this 450? We'll see. Right now, my risk would be 64 cents down to the $5 or 450. But that is a big risk on those 200 shares. It can come back into this 475. I would be very willing to buy here or at least start a position. Looks like it's forming a new bottom here of the 550s. Support. See how well that holds up. Getting bought up off that level. $550s coming on down. Nice. Can we get back down towards that $5 level? And it may not even give me the $5 level now that I look at it. We'll see. As long as it stays below that 589, we should be okay for some more downward movement, better prices. Needs to break that 550 again. This candle closes in 2 minutes. You see that break of that 550. Selling candles, getting smaller and smaller. Come on. Push through that 550. We got 30 seconds left on this one. Push through that 550. All right, well, 550. Okay. 550 looking like the spot. Yep. Let's see if it can come down more. Nope. Looking like it wants to get up. It's the top of this is the 589. Will it give some red here? Yes. Break that 550, please. So we wanted to break this 546. This is the support level right here. Give me a little bit better price to buy it. 547s. There we go. Get on down there, boy. 550. Nice. Got a little touch. Want to see it break. It's holding up quite well. So I am interested. It's okay. I can use what, the $5 to get out of this one if I need to. But I do not want to get left in the dust, especially now that it's consolidated a bit. Yep, that's what I wanted to see. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and looks like I'm gonna have to take this one. Yeah. Oh, 50s, 70s. There's a drop. Ugh, I almost took that one. I almost entered 200 shares right there. That would have not been pretty. All right, 549s, and I would have held it too. Held it to the fives. Looking for a nice entry point. Holding up those 50s. Still not in a setup that I like. But it is holding up that support. Have to wait. Closer it gets to 5, the better I'm gonna feel. Looks like it's gearing up for the next level. Top side of this body is the 68. I see 61. Can it break out of the 60? Yeah, it's about to go. All right. Well, this will be a little bit of a long-term hold then. This is really not where I want to buy. Holy Jesus. All right, so buyers just bought that. Let's see if we can get a dip off this one. Will the seller sell to them? Still not comfortable buying here. But who cares, right? The buyers don't. $6 right there. Mm, mm, mm. Threw a wick up there. Will it come back through the 95? Nope. Ugh. Will it stay above the 589 is where it's above right now? Will it hold up that 89? Hmm. It's a little bit too far too fast. Let's see it do a pullback then. It's like it's gonna get sold into here. Or not. God dog it, man. Come on, bro. This thing is shifty, shaky, and got me on my all 10 toes. I really wanted to buy it lower, but it's not gonna give me that opportunity, looks like. See if it stays over the 6. Holding up the 6 there. It's looking for a little bit of a pullback before it got going. So this is some pretty good consolidation in this range. Yeah, it's holding up that 89 pretty well. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Holding up. Let's see if it holds up that 89. Can it hold up to 6? Coming back down to 601. 6s. Looking for it to hold up this 89 here. Yep. It's definitely holding. Holding the 10s. All right, so I'm in. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna follow VWAP up, make this money back real quick because I'm not gonna play with it this time. I'm not trying to end today red. It went into a halt right there. I'm in 200 shares. 200 shares and rolling. So balance now down $3.40. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I was like, oh, I don't want to take it. I don't want to take it. But nah, bro. This thing's playing. Nope. Not gonna let it play with me. So guys, it's looking like, yeah, I know. And it's kind of a big, it's kind of a big share size as well. But with this, I'm going to just play VWAP because there's so much push in this one. I mean, it's so easy to get a couple of dollars off this one, so I'm okay. I didn't think it was going to go into a halt though. VWAP is at the $5. So $5 is my out. If it breaks 4.99, I'm out. 200 guapos. So yeah, it's a long way away from that, but you never know coming out of a halt. You never know how high this thing is going to open up, how low it's going to open up. So pray for me. Pray for me. Just, but I'm up 22 cents, so that's good on 200 shares. I thought I was going to end today super red, which could still happen. Not saying it won't. Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to put some orders out here, limit orders. So let's say 50 at the 675. That's a limit order. 675. 50 at the 6 at the, let's do 7 if it goes up that high. Okay, so we got those two orders out there. That'll leave me with 100 shares. Let's do a 725 as well. Oops. 725. That'll leave me with 50 shares. and then I'll hold on to 25 myself to exit. So let's just play it like that. And if it wants to go, hey, pay me my money. And I'll be holding 50 shares of my, or let me see, 70 or 50, 50, 50. So I'll be holding 50 shares of my own to get out. We will see on the open. Let me go ahead and I hope it's a volatility halt. Man, if it's not a volatility halt, this is going to be bad, bad, bad. Yes, a volatility halt. Halted at the 11:53:32, so it should be opening up 7 at the 58:32. So in a couple of seconds. And let me go ahead and cancel those orders. I don't think I want to do that. I want to go a little bit higher. Let's do a 750. 750 for 100 shares out. And then I'll hold the other 100. So we'll get out a little bit up there, 750, and then the rest on me. It should be opening up at the 58:32. So in 32 seconds. Let's see what you got, buddy. "32 seconds. Here we go. There we go. Selling some, selling some, selling. Nice. Getting on up there. Nice. 140 shares left. Selling. And cancel all. Selling. And will give me a little bit more of a pump. 64s. Selling a bit. 50 shares left. And I'll let break even dissolve this. 632 break even. 632. Can we get a little bit more? Selling up. 632. Taking. 40 cents. Okay, there we go. 632. I'll hold the rest of this 40 shares. 632. Can we break that 7? Selling a little bit up there. 35 shares left. What's the bottom of this one? The bottom of this one is the 650. So 649 will be my all out. 649 for 35 shares. Oh, that was a limit. Oh well, got all out right there. All good. All right, so I was down a good bit. I'm up 45 bucks now, and I will call that good. So I put that stop out there. All right, so I got 66 bucks to trade. I did get all out at that top. Let's see if we can play some small little positions now. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. The Lord. Getting in right there for a move up. It's very small share size, of course. Looking for this thing to get some action and pushed up. 630 will be my out. 630, 629. 629s. I'm in small share size right now. 629 is my out. Okay, nice. Getting on up there. Okay. Can we explode or nah? Can you feed me? All right. So the bottom of this one is the low of the 73. Not seeing it. Got a body down here of the 569. 524. It's my out. Can we get back over the 90s? Added a little. Whoa. Oh, I'm out of money. Crap. Crap. I'm out of money, man. Oh well, I'm out of money. If it wants to push up, great. Not, you know, 710s. I'm gonna take a little bit there. Literally 4 shares in. 20s. Take a little bit up there. 3 shares in. I guess I'll hold the rest of this. The low of this is a 673. I mean, why not, right? 673. I don't like it. I'm gonna go ahead and take off a little bit there, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and close it out. Yeah, I'm gonna close it out there. All right, so I went from red to green to, I mean, I was all over the place today. Let's look at the realized gains and losses here. The biggest take was that 57 cents off the top. I did lose one time today on that one that wasn't on my scanner, $2.69. Shouldn't have traded it. Stupid trade. But this one left me up 46 bucks. Nice continuing green days. But this one is yanking down here on Nero. And man, that was crazy. But it is yanking down, and I kind of figured it was going to do this because one, where it's after 10:30, so the people that have made their money on this play right here, you know, those people are gone. So if it goes into a halt now, there's a lot of chance that it'll fall on you. But I'm so glad I was able to close up a green day. And yeah, I'm definitely going to go ahead and shut down and go and pray and relax and meditate because this was a very stressful day. Maybe it'll gap up tomorrow and I'll be able to trade again, but it's up 100%. So, you know, but thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're on YouTube. If you're on Twitch, make sure you follow up. And let's see. And as always, let's see. Oh, here I am. All right. And as always, holy Jesus. Am I still streaming? I don't even know if I'm streaming. It says I'm offline. Let me go and check it. Maybe I messed up. Maybe I'm not streaming anymore. Stupid. No, I didn't press that. Am I streaming? Well, that would have sucked if it's not recorded. Oh, we're offline. All right. Well, we are offline then. But it says I'm still streaming. I'm tripping. All right. Well, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace. I think. I hope. Oh, I was streaming. Okay, well, yep, that was it. I was streaming. Stupid software. Ugh. Got me a green day and this thing's acting a fool. Anyway, peace out.